Ever liked a post on Threads and wish you could find it again? Here's how to rediscover all your liked posts within a few taps. But make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see all your likes on Threads app. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap your profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. It's where you can view your posts, followers, and activity including the like post. Look for the two horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on it to open the settings menu. The setting menu holds features that allow you to customize your experience, including reviewing your activity on Threads. In the settings menu, tap on the liked option to view all the posts you have liked. Finally, here you can see all the posts you have liked. So this is how to see your likes on Threads app. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution.